Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Typeform account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To log into your Typeform account, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.typeform.com and press enter. Once the web page loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. On this page, you'll see fields to enter your credentials. If you signed up using your email, enter your email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the password field. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. Once you've entered your email and password, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Typeform dashboard. If you signed up using a Google account, click the Login with Google button instead. Select your Google account from the list that appears. You may be prompted to provide your Google account password if you're not already logged in. After successful authentication, you will be redirected to your Typeform dashboard. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Typeform account. From here, you can start creating or managing your forms. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.